Hello guys, Namaskar. I am psychiatrist Dr. Swamprabha Baral and today is World Suicide Prevention Day. So it was a very nice opportunity to talk to you all regarding this. A survey was done by NRCB and it was found that in 2019 a lot of students, the rate of student suicide was very high in 2019 and also in 2020 due to COVID-19 we have seen a lot of rise in suicide rate in all groups, especially in those people who have lost their jobs, lost a lot of opportunities, and in students and those people who are restricted due to lockdown. So how do we deal with this situation and how do we deal with our changing scenario and the mood states that we are facing, the low mood, the suicidal thoughts that a lot of people are facing. First of all, it is not uncommon to feel low in these scenarios. Many people feel low, including like people like us who advise, who see hundreds of patients. We also are affected by this wave of feeling low during this corona. So what do we do in this kind of scenario? First of all, when you feel low, please do not hide it. Sharing is the first thing that you can do in such a scenario. Share it with anyone, any friend, any relative, any family member, because it is not always necessary that you find an expert. In our country, the ratio of experts to the patients is very low. So even if you are not finding an expert, please share it with your family members first, so that at least you get a way of communication to vent out your emotions. First thing, remember that suicide in most cases is related to an illness known as depression, and also in other psychiatric illnesses suicide can happen, like in other psychotic illnesses like in schizophrenia or in other like delusional disorders, or suicide can occur in any psychiatric illnesses. So and also family history. If anybody in your family has committed suicide, then it is very high likely chances that you are prone for suicide. So if there is a family history, you need to keep a watch on all of your family members. If there is any change in behavior pattern, if there is any change in the biological patterns, like if there is any change in the sleep cycle or any food behavior, you should keep an eye on your family members. And this is not only for those who are having family history, for all those who are having any kind of psychiatric illness. If your family member is having any alteration in behavior pattern, please do keep a note. And for all normal people, for all students, for all women, for all men who are staying alone like me, please keep 3-tier system, as I have already told in my earlier video. 3 people whom you can contact in case of emergency. Middle of the night, you are not feeling well, you should know whom you need to contact. Sometimes just because of one wrong phone call, because of one call you have not made, you may risk ending up your life. So please keep these things ready at hand. You should know whom you need to contact. Yes, there are suicide helpline numbers that you can contact, but when you are in that scenario, when you are that low, when you are thinking of doing suicide, I don't think you will be that aware that I need to go and call to that suicide helpline number. So you need to fix the persons that you will seek help to when you are feeling that suicidal. So please keep these things ready and keep your social support ready. We are in the modern era where social support system is collapsing. Yes, I would like to stress upon it because our lives keep changing. In my case, I keep shifting from places to places every 2 years, every 1 year, due to studies, due to jobs, and that is happening with every modern man and women. So our social system is very fragile these days. So what do we do in this case? So wherever you are, try to build up a social support system. But now what happens, whenever you are trying to build a social support system, people are wanting favors in return. So try to keep a balance. Which people are your real social support system? Because world these days is very manipulative. So you have to strike a balance between your real friends, the real social support system. You have to be very keen observer of the people around you, and whom you can take support from and who are trying to utilize you. Especially for the females who are staying alone, please be aware of your social support system and try to build the social support system accordingly. Another thing I would like to say, I would like to tell to all of my friends and the students, because of the lockdown, a lot of changes are happening in the life of all the people, of all the students, so they are not able to adapt and adjust. So please focus on what you can do and do not think a lot about what you cannot do. Like people are focusing on what they have lost in this lockdown, that they cannot roam around, they cannot eat good food, they cannot eat outside food, and they have lost certain opportunity. Yes, a lot of people have lost a lot of opportunities. I myself could not give certain DM entrances because of this, so I sometimes I feel little sad that yes, these opportunities are gone. But we all need to focus on the positive side, that at least we have food to eat, at least we have a job, at least we have people to talk to. In this corona, many people died, many people lost their jobs, people are on the street, they have no food to eat. At least think of what good things we have, so that a comparative mindset in this way will help you realize your blessings, and you can feel satisfied that we have not yet lost much as we have gained. So every morning get up, count your blessings, do daily activity scheduling for each day, do exercise, do yoga, do meditation, boost up your immunity. Immunity is the only vaccination for coronavirus, and immunity is the only thing that will keep you protected. And to boost your immunity, yes, you have to resort to these methods: exercise, healthy eating, healthy living, and keeping a good mindset by not focusing on the negative things, focusing on the positive things. And another thing that you need to really need to do in this time is supporting your people around. As you are seeking support in this time, please do support your people around. One negative pattern of behavior I've seen during this corona period is people trying to take revenge from each other in this time. Everybody needs support during this time. Please try to support each other. Your friends, your family members do need your support, yes, but unknown people also do need your support. Support as much as people, help as much as people. Everybody needs you, especially in medical profession. Please help your seniors, juniors, all the people. Every day I'm getting a lot of calls of junior doctors getting stressed because of heavy duties and all. Please, wherever you are, I'm requesting all the doctors who are listening to this video, in whichever position you are, please support your junior doctors. They are in need of your help during this. They are feeling stressed, they are feeling depressed, and many of them are suicidal right now. Please do help them. For all profession people, all the seniors, juniors, please do support each other. By this, we can help prevent too many suicides that are going to occur in 2020. We need to preserve their lives from coronavirus, from suicide. Thank you all.